Hi friends, welcome you all. So in this video we are going to introduce you a new method of harvesting high altitude wind energy. This is done by using a high altitude wind turbine or airborne turbine. And first of all, we thank our faculties for giving us such an opportunity and their cooperation and advices in completing this project. Our HOD Sri Tangachan sir, our guide Ranjit PC, Sebin sir, Gangamis and all others. Thank you very much for giving us some valuable advices and ideas in completing this project. So in this project we are gonna have a balloon filled with hydrogen, and inside the balloon there will be a generator, a DC generator and a turbine attached to it. And as the hydrogen is filled in the balloon rises upwards and the height of the balloon can be controlled by using tethers. On reaching high altitude, as the wind strikes, the blade of the turbine rotates, and this rotation causes energy in the DC generator, and this causes electricity, and this electricity that is generated there can be collected through wires to the ground station, and thus electricity can be simply generated. So the main part of our system is the DC generator. These both are DC generators of 12 volts. This comes in varying sizes, and so we will have to use the most small one because we will have to lift this motor up with the help of hydrogen, and so the weight should be minimum for efficient operation. So here the DC motor is placed inside a casing. Here you can see the DC motor is placed inside a casing and a turbine is attached to it, and it is mounted on a balloon that is filled with hydrogen. You can see that the balloon is filled with hydrogen and the DC motor is placed inside it and a turbine attached to it, and this is the casing that is used to fit the DC motor and turbine inside the balloon. So as the balloon is filled with hydrogen, the balloon rises up towards the sky, and the height of the balloon can be controlled by manually. The balloon can be controlled manually by using tether or wires or coils. The amount of hydrogen needed to lift the system should be calculated and should be equally divided into the number of balloons that are needed to lift the system up. So here we are using 3 balloons to fill this hydrogen, enough to lift the system up. And when the hydrogen is filled, the system will move upwards, and some wires will be connected from the DC generator output to the ground station, and from the ground station the electricity can be given to the consumers.